Morning, everybody. Morning, Daddy. Morning. Come, breakfast is on Luzette this morning. So I took his chunks and his husky. So I'm gonna mix it together now for you. Are you hungry? Yeah, breakfast is on Luzette. Did you say thank you, Luzette? Say morning, Luzette. Yeah, Daddy making up now, man. Okay. We're gonna mix it. Excited for the food, bro. I'm gonna mix it now. You must got best of both worlds, huh? And here's your water now. Huh? See, there's your water is cleaner. There you bite all. Lick the spoon. Lick the spoon. Lick the spoon. Wait. Okay, Daddy put the water for you. You're gonna put it here now. No. And there you go with your food. Here we go. Now come and show them how good your man is. Wait now. See there? There's his food. And there's my sushi. Go eat. She is well, man, that he wait for his daddy. Thank you very much, Luzette, for this lovely breakfast.